In this video I'm going to be tying the Shad Fly-Dart. In the vise I have a size 8 Mustad 3906. I will be tying the fly with white 6/0 uni thread. And I'm going to go ahead and start about an eye's length behind the eye and lay down a base of thread. Take our thread down to the barb and snip away our excess. Go ahead and bring the thread back into the tie-in point. For the tail I'm going to be using a small tuft of yellow kiptail. You cut a section of that out, pull away any of the fluff, grab it by the tips and pull any short hairs out. And I'm just going to tie in a tail that's about maybe 3/4 of the length of the body. And then cut away the excess. For the body, I'm going to be using some white Floss. I like to pull off 18 inches to 2 feet or so. Seems like a lot, but it's just easier to work with. Easier to work with when it's longer. So I'm going to fold that in half and then fold it in half again around my thread. And then capture that at the back of the fly. For the ribbing, it calls for an embossed tinsel. My stand-in for embossed tinsel is just some silver blending filament. It's like an embroidery thread. I'll take off about 6 inches of that. Go ahead and capture that with our thread. And then advance the thread back up to our tie-in point. Next, I'm going to go ahead and wrap the body with our floss. I'm actually going to take the floss all the way up to right behind the eye. And then capture it. And then I'll snip away the excess. Next, I'll wrap my tinsel. You can go ahead and take that all the way to the head as well. Take it all the way to the eye. And then snip away the excess. So the fly pattern calls for a large and lacquered red head. I'm lazy, so I'm going to use some red Danville's flat wax nylon. I'm going to go ahead and whip finish our thread. Snip that away. And then just build up a red head with the Danville's flat wax nylon. And then just give it a whip finish. Snip away the excess thread. And I'm just going to finish the fly by coating the entire thing, body and head, with some Sally Hansen's. And that is the Shad Fly-Dart from the Pfeiffer collection.